Hi guys, welcome to today's lesson. But before we actually start the lesson, I want to take this time to answer Timera's question. So Timera went to my comment section of the last video and asked me what cousin is in TWI, right? So we don't have the actual word cousin in TWI. What we have is wafaba and siwaba and also onya. So I just want to break this down a bit. So a cousin, as we know, is your father's or mother's sibling's child. That's a cousin, right? So in our case, an uncle from our last video, which would be your mother's brother, is wafa. Then your aunt is your father's sister, and she's siwa to us, right? But then your father's brother is dad to us, and your mother's sister is mom to us. So now how it works is, if you want to say your cousin, you'd say siwaba, which is your aunt's child. And if you want to say cousin again, you can actually say wafaba, which is your uncle's child. Remember, I just said that your father's brother is actually your dad. So their child technically would be nuya, which is sibling. And if it's your mother's sister, we call her mom. And their child would be also nuya, which is technically your sibling as well. So to sum it up, in TWI, we don't have the word cousin. You can either say wafaba, siwaba, or nuya. And with that, let's start today's lesson. Hi guys, welcome to Learning TWI the Fun with TWI Junior Pro. Today's lesson is on corona health tips, right? I'm going to point out 6 health tips that one should be actually living by or abiding by thus far to help or to reduce the number, right? Then I'll also point out a few words that I think people would want to know during this time. So for an example, you want to tell your friend to stay at home, they shouldn't go out, remain indoors, right? So if you want to say stay at home in TWI, stay at home is tinefie. Tena is remain or stay. Efie is home, right? So tinefie says stay at home or remain at home. Then you can also say, it's roughly the same thing. You can also say Enpie. Enpie says don't go out. So Enpie in English is don't go out. So the next one would be something in the lines of don't touch your face with your hands, right? So this is one of the things that we're told never to. After you go out, when you come back, wash your hands and don't touch your face with your hands, right? So don't touch your face with your hand is Ɛnfa wonsa nka w'anim. Ɛnfa is don't. Wonsa is hand. Nka is touch. Anim is face, right? So ɛnfa wonsa enka w'anim, meaning don't touch your face with your hands. The other thing that we're taught is wash your hands. So wash your hands in TWI is hohoro. Hohoro. Wash your hands. One would also say wash your hands with soap. Then that in TWI is fa samena hohoro. Samena is soap. So fa is take, something like take. Samena is soap. Hohoro is wash. So fa samena hohoro is use soap to wash your hands. The other thing that we learned through this pandemic or with this virus is whenever you're coughing, you're told to use your elbow to cover your mouth when coughing, right? So that in TWI is fawabache katawano sewubowa, right? So abache is elbow. So fa is take. So fawabache. Kata is cover. Ano is mouth. Boa is cough, right? So basically I'm saying use your elbow to cover your mouth when you cough, which is fawabache katawano sewu boa. So the other one that people usually keep on saying is social distancing, right? Which basically means not stay away per se from people, but keep a distance between you and the next person, or don't get close to people, right? So in TWI, don't get close to someone. So let's say I'm telling my wife or my friend, you know what, try not to get close to someone, right? In TWI, that is Ɛmmɛn obiara. Ɛmmɛn obiara is in English basically saying stay away or stay a safe distance from someone. Ɛmmɛn obiara. So some of the words that I wanted to point out, for an example, is cough, which is what. So if you're next to a person and you want to tell them, don't cough, you'd say, Mepawokyɛw ɛmmɔ. Ewa is cough, right? So Mepawokyɛw ɛmmɔ would be, please don't cough, right? That's one. The other thing is, when you're feverish, right? Because this also comes with having a bit of fever, having flu-like symptoms, right? So fever in TWI is huraɛ. Huraɛ is fever in TWI. Then you get tiredness when it comes to all of this, right? Tiredness is also one of the symptoms, right? So tiredness in TWI is bre, where bre is tired. So tiredness is also bre, right? One of the other things that I wanted to point out is heavy breathing or hard breathing. So if you want to relay a message to a friend, say that you're having troubles breathing, you would say, Merehome, deneinden. They'll know that I'm having problems with my breathing. Then of course they'll try and get me help. Guys, remember, if you like the content of the video, please click on the like button, subscribe, click on the bell button for future notifications so that you get all the new videos that I actually push out. If there's anything you want me to translate or anything you want to find out about TWI, or well, technically anything, please go to my comment section, drop me a comment there, drop me any message, ask me whatever you need to ask, then I'll probably respond in that comment section, or depending on what you want to know, actually say it in my next video, which makes it more interactive because I can't think of everything that you guys want me to translate, right? I can only go on what I think people want to know. So it's better if you guys give me input, then I can actually give the appropriate output to you guys. And remember, be safe. Stay indoors, as I always say, right? Take good care of yourself. And it's not about us, it's about the next person. And remember, download TWI Junior Pro. With that and this, you learn the language quicker. It's on the App Store. So with that, from me, Kwesi, till next time, bye.